Subject English.
Class 10 plus 1.
Topic Tenses. Part 2. Welcome back. It has not been very long since our last module on present tense. You will find this module on the past tense and the next one on future tense a very similar one. We shall now move on to the past tense. The past tense also has the same 4 forms. But before we go through them, let us have a look at our learning objectives for this session. Learning objectives. After this session, you will be able to list 4 types of past tense, identify type of past tense in a given sentence, use different types of past tense correctly in spoken and written form. 4 types of past tense. The 4 types of past tense are simple past or past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. To make the past indefinite tense, we use the second form of the verb. Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. For the past indefinite tense, we start the sentence with the subject. Then we use the second form of the verb, which is the simple past tense, and end the sentence with the object. Example of the second form of the verb: write, wrote, sing, sang, eat, ate, play, played, dream, dreamt. Examples of a past indefinite tense: I went to see a match with my brother. He played cricket yesterday. I wrote a letter. He played cricket yesterday. The teacher punished the student. I wrote a letter. Now we come to the negative form of the indefinite past tense. In this, the sentence starts with the subject and did not is added to the basic verb, verb 1. Then the sentence ends with the object. Negative sentences: subject plus did not plus
First form of the verb
plus object. You did not help me. I did not attend the class. Some examples will make it more clear. Examples: she did not attend the class. You did not help me. He did not do his work. I did not like the food. They did not listen to the bell. When the indefinite past tense is used in the question or interrogative form, then the sentence starts with did, followed by the subject. Then we put in the basic verb, ending the sentence with the object and a question mark, as shown in the rule below. In case of interrogative sentences, the rule is did plus subject plus
First form of the verb
plus object plus question mark.
Did you finish your work yesterday?
Did you get my notebooks? Example: did you go to the market yesterday? Did she finish her work on time? Did they come home? Did I leave my bag in school? Did he come with his father? There can be many examples to make the structure of a simple past tense clear. Raj learnt a new poem. Raj did not learn a new poem. Did Raj learn a new poem? How do we use the simple past tense? We use the past indefinite tense to talk about an action or a situation, an event in the past. The event can be short or long. Here are some short events with the simple past tense. The car exploded at 9:30 a.m. yesterday. She went to the door. We did not hear the telephone. Did you see that car? Past, present, future. Past. The action is in the past. Here are some long events with the simple past tense. I lived in Bangkok for 10 years. The Jurassic period lasted about 62 million years. We did not sing at the concert. Did you watch TV last night? Past, present, future. Past. The action is in the past. The event is in the past. Jadon घटना घट चुकी होवे. The event is completely finished. जदों घटना पूरी तरह खत्म हो चुकी है. We say or understand the time and or place of the event. ਅਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਘਟਨਾ ਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਅਤੇ ਸਥਾਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣੂ ਹੋਈਏ ਜਾਂ ਉਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਕਹਿ ਸਕੀਏ. You have seen that simple past is used for the past actions. There are some specific cases also where we use it. Now look at the screen. Used in specific cases also. To express an action completed in the past with reference to the time of speaking. I met my teacher in the park yesterday. We visited Jaipur last year. Simple past tense is also used to express a habitual or regular action in the past. This basically means that it expresses an action which used to happen regularly in the past but does not happen now. This will be more clear to you with some examples. To express a habitual or regular action in the past. When I was a baby, my mother used to feed me. When I was a baby, my mother used to carry me too. When he was in school, he always stood first in the class. I visited the temple every evening to offer my prayers. I lived in that house when I was young. When I was young, I always got a prize in music. Note that when we tell a story, we usually use the simple past tense. Look at this example. ਬੱਚਿਓ, ਇਸ ਗੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੋਈ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਸੁਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਪਾਸਟ ਟੈਂਸ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਆਓ ਇਸ ਉਦਾਹਰਣ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖੀਏ. The wind was blowing around the hotel and the rain was pouring down. It was cold. The door opened and James Bond entered. He took off his coat, which was very wet. He sat down in the corner of the lounge and quietly drank his orange juice. Now, to revise and practice what we have learned, let's look at a colorful picture and describe the incident in past indefinite tense. the past continuous tense. We will now learn about past continuous tense. As the name suggests, it talks about what we were doing at a particular time in the past. We use this tense to narrate happening of any action at a particular moment. It is used to denote an action going on sometime in the past. The time of action may or may not be indicated. Example, Papa was eating his food. For a persistent habit in the past. Example, we were working hard. Now that we know what the sentence in past continuous tense looks like, let us see how we make it. In these sentences, we start the sentence with the subject and then use was or were before writing the main verb. Then we add ing with the verb. ਇਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਵਾਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਾਕ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੁਰੂਆਤ ਵਿਸ਼ੇ ਤੋਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਵਾਕ ਵਿੱਚ was ਜਾਂ were verb ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਲਗਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਾਕ ਵਿੱਚ ing ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। The structure of the past continuous tense is subject plus was or were plus
First form of the main verb
plus ing. As a rule, with first person singular noun, we always use was for a past tense. ਨਿਯਮ ਦੇ ਅਨੁਸਾਰ first person singular noun ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਭੂਤਕਾਲ ਲਈ was ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। With I, he, she, it, singular noun was is used. Then with second person and plural noun were is used. Second person ਅਤੇ plural noun ਦੇ ਨਾਲ were ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। With we, you, they, plural noun were is used. Examples, Tina was playing. We were climbing the hills. He was doing his work. आओ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ past continuous tense ਨੂੰ negative sentence ਵਿੱਚ ਤਬਦੀਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। past continuous tense ਨੂੰ negative sentences ਵਿੱਚ ਤਬਦੀਲ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਾਕ ਵਿੱਚ helping verb ਅਤੇ main verb ਵਿੱਚ not ਲਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। Let us have a look at this table on the screen. You will be more clear with the rule. Subject, was or were, not, main verb, object. Positive, I was watching TV. Positive, you were working hard. Negative, he or she or it was not helping Mary. Negative, we were not joking. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and the helping verb. Here, we start with the helping verb, then put in the subject, followed by the main verb and the object. Look at these example sentences with the past continuous tense. Was or were, subject, main verb, object. Interrogative. Were you working hard? Interrogative. Was he or she or it not helping Mary? Let us see how we use the past continuous tense. It tells us about an action which was happening in the past. आओ ਹੁਣ ਵੇਖੀਏ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ past continuous tense ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਉਸ ਕਿਰਿਆ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਭੂਤਕਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਹੈ। past continuous tense is used to denote an action going on sometime in the past. Examples: we were listening to the radio. It was getting darker. I was watching TV when the phone rang up. The girl was riding a bicycle in the morning. What were you doing in the school on Sunday? This tense is used with always, continually, etc. Examples: he was always grumbling. She was continually teasing her sister. I was working hard all through last night. I was completing my homework whole of yesterday afternoon. He was always disturbing me at home. They were always asking for favors. ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਹੀ ਐਸਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਸੇ ਦ੍ਰਿਸ਼ ਨੂੰ ਸੈੱਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਪਾਸਟ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊਅਸ ਟੈਂਸ ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰੀਏ। ਅਸੀਂ ਪਰਦੇ ਦੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਦੀ ਸਥਿਤੀ ਦੀ ਵਿਆਖਿਆ ਕਿਰਿਆ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋਣ ਤੇ ਹੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਵਿਰਲੀ ਹੀ ਕੋਈ ਕਹਾਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਪਾਸਟ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊਅਸ ਟੈਂਸ ਤੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਪਾਸਟ ਟੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵੱਲ ਵੱਧਦੀ ਹੈ। ਆਓ ਇੱਕ ਉਦਾਹਰਣ ਵੇਖੀਏ। Please listen to these few opening lines of an interesting story. Please note the tense used. James Bond was driving through town. It was raining. The wind was blowing hard. Nobody was walking in the streets. Suddenly, Bond saw the killer in a telephone box. The past continuous tense quiz. My brother and sister were playing tennis at 11 a.m. yesterday. Were you still working at 7 p.m. last night? At 8:30 a.m. today, I was driving to work. We were or were not sleeping at 11 p.m. Why was he having lunch at 4 p.m.? That was the end of our discussion on past continuous tense. We now move on to the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is quite an easy tense to understand and to use. This tense talks about past in the past. ਬੱਚਿਓ, ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਡੀ past continuous tense ਬਾਰੇ ਵਾਰਤਾ ਖਤਮ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ past perfect tense ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। The past perfect tense ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਮਝਣਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਆਸਾਨ ਹੈ। ਇਹ tense ਬੀਤ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਕੱਲ ਦੇ ਕੱਲ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਹੈ। How do we make the past perfect tense? ਅਸੀਂ past perfect tense ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬਣਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ? The structure of the past perfect tense is subject plus had plus
third form of the main verb.
This tense tells that an action completed before a certain moment in the past. I met him in 1979. I had met him 5 years before. I got the job in 1980. I had finished my studies a year before. When I reached my parents' place, my sister had already left. When the teacher came, some students had finished their work. For negative sentences in the past perfect tense, we insert not between the helping verb and main verb. For question sentences, we exchange the subject and helping verb. For example, look at these sentences with the past perfect tense. I had finished my work. You had not gone to school. Had you arrived? Had they finished their dinner? Subject, had, main verb 3. Positive. I had finished my work. Positive. You had stopped before me. Negative. She had not gone to school. Negative. We had not left.
Had and the subject change the position like this. Had you arrived? Had they finished their dinner?
How do we use the past perfect tense? ਅਸੀਂ past perfect tense ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ? ਇੱਥੇ ਇਹ ਜਾਣਨਾ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ past perfect tense ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਬੀਤੇ ਸਮੇਂ 'ਚ ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਘਟਨਾਵਾਂ ਲਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੀ। ਇਸ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਆਮ past indefinite tense ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। The past perfect tense expresses action in the past before another action in the past. This is the past in the past. For example, past perfect tense ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੀਆਂ ਕਿਰਿਆਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਕਿਰਿਆ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ। The train left at 9 a.m. We arrived at 9:15 a.m. When we arrived, the train had left. The train had left when we arrived. Past, present, future. Train left in past at 9 a.m. We arrived in past at 9:15 a.m. Look at some more examples. I wasn't hungry. I had just eaten. They were hungry. They had not eaten for 5 hours. I didn't know who he was. I had never seen him before. Mary wasn't at home when I arrived. Really? Where had she gone? Past perfect continuous tense. How do we make the past perfect continuous tense? The structure of the past perfect continuous tense is subject plus had plus been plus main verb plus ing plus object. For example, I had been avoiding my studies. She had been meeting her friend. We had been visiting her at the hospital. For negative sentences ਨੂੰ past perfect continuous tense ਵਿੱਚ ਤਬਦੀਲ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਅਸੀਂ not ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ had ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਵਾਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ subject ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ had ਲਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਉਦਾਹਰਣ ਲਈ ਆਓ ਇਹਨਾਂ past perfect continuous tense ਵਾਲੇ ਵਾਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ। For example, I had been playing tennis. I had not been playing tennis. I had been working. I had not been working. Subject, auxiliary verb, main verb. Positive, I had been working. Positive, you had been playing tennis. Negative, it had not been working well. Negative, we had not been expecting her. Interrogative, had you been dancing? Interrogative, had they been waiting long? Contractions with the past perfect continuous tense. When speaking with the past perfect continuous tense, we often contract the subject and first auxiliary verb. ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ past perfect continuous tense ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਘੱਟ subject ਅਤੇ first auxiliary verb ਨਾਲ ਸੰਪਰਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ।
I had been is written as, you had been is written as, he had been is written as, she had been is written as, it had been is written as, we had been is written as, they had been is written as.
How do we use the past perfect continuous tense? Past perfect continuous tense past perfect tense ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਹੈ, ਪਰ ਇਹ ਭੂਤਕਾਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਲੰਬੀਆਂ ਕਿਰਿਆਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਕਿਰਿਆ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦਰਸਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਦਾਹਰਣ ਦੇ ਤੌਰ ਤੇ Ram started waiting at 9 a.m. I arrived at 11 a.m. When I arrived, Ram had been waiting for 2 hours. Ram had been waiting for 2 hours when I arrived. Past, present, future. Past. Ram starts waiting in past at 9 a.m. I arrived in past at 11 a.m. Here are some more examples. John was very tired. He had been running. I could smell cigarettes. Somebody had been smoking. Suddenly, my car broke down. I was not surprised. It had not been running well for a long time. Had the pilot been drinking before the crash? So children, that was the end of a long session on the past tense. Let's quickly summarize everything we have learned today. Summary along with a diagram to make it simpler. Past tense. Past indefinite tense. To express an event which occurred at a particular point in the past. To express a habitual action in the past. To express an action which occupied a period of time in the past but has ended now. Past continuous tense. To denote an action that was going on in the past, for a persistent habit in the past. Past perfect tense. To denote an action which had been completed before another action in the past. Past perfect continuous tense. To denote some action which had been going on at or before something in the past. Past tense is used to convey actions done in the past. The 4 types of past tenses are simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. I hope you have enjoyed learning past tense today. See you soon with our next module on the future tense. Have a good day.